Good day everyone, I am Elamich Prieto from BSN 1A. Today we are going to look inside ourselves, but instead of boring formulas, we are going to look at life through something we all know, Legos and language. Our bodies are made of four main biomolecules: proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids like DNA. Even though they do completely different jobs, they all share four secret superpowers or characteristics that allows them to build us. Let's break them down. First, superpower, directionality. Biomolecules have a distinct front and back. Think of it like reading a word. If I write dog, it means a fluffy animal. But if I read it backward, it spells God, a completely different meaning. Biomolecules are the same. A strand of DNA has a 5' end and a 3' end. Our cells can only read it from front to back. If it's backward, the cells gets confused and the message is lost. Directions matters. Second, biomolecules are informational. This doesn't just mean DNA storing your eye color. It means the order of the building blocks acts like a code. Imagine you have a bunch of alphabetical blocks. The blocks themselves are just plastic, but when you arrange them into a specific sentence, they carry instructions. Proteins are made of 20 different amino acids. The exactly order of those amino acids tells the proteins whether it should become a clear lens in your eye or a tough fingernail. Third, they rely on a weak chemical forces. Now, you might think our bodies should be held together by the strongest bonds possible, like superglue. But if everything was superglued, our cells could never change, replicate, or heal. Instead, biomolecules use weak bonds, like hydrogen bonds. Think of it like Velcro. It holds together tightly when you need it to, but you can easily peel it apart without destroying the fabric. This is how your DNA unzips to copy itself and then zips right back up effortlessly. Finally, they have the ability to form 3D structures, and biochemistry shape dictates function. Look at this flat piece of paper. It could do much right now, but if I fold it into a specific 3D shape, a paper airplane, it flies. Biomolecules do the same thing. A protein starts as a flat string, but it folds into precise 3D shapes. If it folds correctly, it works. If it misfolds, it can cause disease like Alzheimer's. Shape is everything. Why does any of this matter in real life? Because understanding these four rules is exactly how scientists design life-saving medicines. When we design a drug, we make sure it has the right shape to fit like a puzzle piece into a virus, and just enough weak force to block it without harming our healthy cells. By mastering the language, direction, forces, and shape of these tiny molecules, we unlock the secrets to human health. Thanks for watching!